Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to talk about gel electrophoresis common mistakes. And in my previous videos I already explained what is a smiling effect, and today we are going to talk about what is a frowning effect. If you will pay a close attention to this gel, you would see a certain pattern. Take a look. For example, bands here on the left side are straight, but when we move to the right side we would see a curve. So this is what we call frowning effect. The curvature of this gel suggests that the spacers on the sides were a bit loose, causing a field effect near the edges, so-called frowning gel. So this is probably the first mistake that you should look for, that spacers have to be tightly adjusted, and also it will be difficult to get accurate relative mobility measurements because the die front, as you see, was allowed to run off with an intact die front. As a reference point, lanes could be compared with one another even despite of this distortion. But when you allowed it to run for too long, we don't have reference point, and this would be very hard to do. One more time, make sure that spacers are tightly adjusted on the sides and don't allow your gel run for too long, so you would lose a die front. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write a comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.